What's up guys, this is Dom here and today we're gonna unboxing the Zhiyun Smooth 4. This is the box of the Zhiyun Smooth 4. As you can see, there is nice packaging from the Zhiyun, and the back of the box has the detail about what inside the box and also the advantages of the gimbal. As you can see, this is what inside the box. The first thing in the photo is the gimbal, and the second one is the tripod leg, and the last one is the USB Type-C. The first thing that you can see is the quick start guide of the Zhiyun Smooth 4. You can read it for the more information how to use the gimbal, and also allow you to scan the QR code to download the ZY Play app, both Android device and iOS device. Inside the box you can see the first thing is the USB Type-C that allow you to charge the gimbal and make the firmware update through this cable. And the second one is the tripod leg. In the previous generation of the Zhiyun Smooth Q does not come with the tripod leg. If you want to get the tripod, you can buy it separately, but for this year the Zhiyun Smooth 4 you can get it free inside the box itself. And the last one, the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.